I'm Thomas Smith, and today I want to share something here. This is Love and Choose cookies. They're a cookie company based in San Francisco, and they make these really awesome gluten-free and vegan, so plant-based cookies. So this is their banana bread flavor. This is my favorite flavor, the Love and Chew cookies. And you can see there's a couple things that are really great about this. Firstly, like I mentioned, plant-based, so they're totally vegan. They're actually certified vegan, and they are gluten-free. They're certified gluten-free as well. And despite that, they actually have no refined sugar, which is kind of surprising. A lot of gluten-free baked goods end up with a lot of sugar in them. And this actually, if you look at the ingredient list here, the main ingredients are blanched almonds and date paste. And that's going to add a bit of sweetness, some natural sweetness there, but they're not actually adding any additional sweeteners. So I love that. I also love that it's really simple ingredients. Again, often with gluten-free, you end up with a lot of binders and kind of artificial ingredients in there. And here, these are all pronounceable things, bananas, baking soda, just really simple ingredient list. And I like that that's, something that's nice, clean ingredients there. And the company is really inspiring too. That's founded by Lauren Chu, and she started out making these cookies actually with her stepmom. Her stepmom went into a plant-based diet, and Lauren started cooking alongside her. And the cookies are actually based on her stepmom's original recipe. So that's really exciting. I think it's great to see that family connection. And the company actually donates a portion of its proceeds to charities in San Francisco that help young women. So I think that's a really exciting and awesome thing. They're also an AAPI-owned and women-owned business. And they sent me some of these cookies to try out. So obviously with any kind of baked good, the question is, does it taste good? So let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the cookie itself. You can see it's got a lot of these little pieces of banana in there. And if I can zoom in, you can see there's some chia seeds as well. So they call it a superfood cookie. Chia seeds are considered by some to be a superfood and very nutritious, a lot of nutritional density packed into these tiny seeds. So it's nice to see that integrated in. And let's go ahead and try it. So again, the banana bread is my favorite flavor. And they're really delicious. I think, the chew part is definitely accurate. They definitely have a really nice chewy consistency to them. It's not kind of crunchy and buttery and flaky like you would get with a cookie that has wheat flour, that has gluten in it, and that would have probably butter and other kind of animal ingredients. It's very much dense. It's almost like, I tell people, it's like if you took the inside of a fig Newton, kind of amplified it into a whole cookie, made it a little bit denser. That's what it tastes like to me. There's a little tiny bit of crunch from the chia seeds, but they're really subtle and just blends in and adds that extra bit of nutritional kind of kick. And to me, the best thing for these, and what I use them for, it's a great post-workout or pre-workout snack, or a snack to take with you if you just can't, find time to have breakfast. A couple of these work really great. It does have a lot of protein, and again, because it doesn't have that added sugar, I find you get a nice boost, and it'll kind of keep you going and feeling good, but without the crash of having a lot of sugar in there or anything like that. So if you're gluten free or you're on a plant-based diet or vegan, I think this would be a great cookie alternative. But even if you're like me and you're not any of those things, I still think this is a really great pre or post workout snack. And because they're individually wrapped, it's so easy to just throw it in a gym bag, throw it in a bag if you're going out with your kids, and makes it super easy to take these with you. And again, they're really tasty. So thank you again to Love and Chew for sending these to me to check out. And I definitely encourage you to try out these cookies.